This morning we are at the Beacon Heights Goodwill talking about fall fashions, fall finds, and there are plenty of them here at Goodwill. Good morning, Shannon.
Hi, Lane. How are you?
Great. I love a Goodwill treasure hunt. You call Goodwill feel-good fashion. How come?
That's because we are a not-for-profit and we support Albertans with disabilities finding and gaining meaningful employment. So every time that you come into Goodwill and you spend $1, 89 cents will go directly back into supporting that mission.
And it does other things too. When you look at the volume of clothing and things that you have, a lot of this would end up in our landfill, and it's really good stuff.
Absolutely. So in 2019 alone, we were actually able to divert up to 85% of waste from landfill just by selling and repurposing and recycling clothing, household items, furniture, as well as electronics in our stores, and then also recycling them through different sustainability programs we have at Goodwill.
Right. It's great to see that you're open during COVID, and I know you guys have put a lot of thought into safety and cleanliness.
Absolutely. So when customers come to our stores, they can sanitize their hands automatically. We also encourage, of course, social distancing as well as wearing masks. And of course, we do sanitize every single donation that comes through our doors, making sure that it's safe when we put it out on floor for sale for our customers as well as our staff members.
And no GST.
No GST, even better. As a not-for-profit, we are able to not charge GST. So every single time that you come into store, you'll never pay GST, which is really a good thing.
Yeah, and it's amazing. A little bit later this morning, we're going to see some terrific outfits that you put together for very little money. Let's just talk about everything that you have available. Of course, fashions, but lots of other stuff too.
Lots of other stuff. So if you're looking for knickknacks for your home, here's the place to come. So if you want to add a little bit of a fall flair, so pumpkins, any sort of leaf wreath, anything like that, you'll find it here, as well as we have jewelry, sunglasses. We also have a collectible items as well. So we do have our designer section as well. So if you're looking for something specific, the treasure hunt is truly endless.
Yeah, for sure. Well, thank you so much, Shannon. We're going to explore Goodwill this morning, including some great fall fashions. For more information, visit goodwill.ab.ca.
On location with Lane.
With fall just around the corner, our thoughts turn to kids going back to school, to fall fashions. We are at Goodwill in Beacon Heights talking about some bargains that you can find here while helping a good cause, helping Albertans with disabilities find employment. Good morning, Brooke.
Good morning.
You are a local fashion blogger and you love shopping at Goodwill and finding all sorts of fashion treasures. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so I love being able to discover my own personal style at Goodwill. I've been thrifting for a long time, so today my whole outfit is thrifted as well. It's all under $30, so this blazer was only around $6. This polka dot top, one of my favorite prints, was only around $5, and then I also got this skirt in the lingerie section for only about $5 as well.
Yeah, it looks amazing. All
Thank
of
you.
the clothes here are in terrific shape. They're sanitized before they come out on the floor, and it's a great place to find something unique that nobody else maybe has.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, now you've pulled together a couple of outfits for us. Let's start with Kenya. I love the green. She looks terrific. Let's run through her outfit.
Yeah, so for Kenya, I picked this really vibrant green blouse. And then I've paired it with these amazing pants. I almost wish that these were my size because they're just so nice.
So on point right now.
Yeah, they have that really
leg.
nice tapering kind of at the waist, and then they go down into the flare at the ankles, which gives her a really nice shape. And then the blouse was only $8. The pants were only $15 on the tag sale as well. And then we have these awesome Guess pump heels as well that were only $12.
Yes, so she looks terrific. All right, let's go on to Mel.
Yeah, so Mel, we also have a little pop of animal print to kind of make the outfit a little bit more exciting. So this is a really great staple blouse, but obviously it has the snake print, one of my favorite prints right now. And then we've paired it with this really nice kind of pencil skirt that has a little slit for a little bit of movement. And then these amazing glittery heels that were only $12. And the skirt was only $6, blouse was only $8. So all of these outfits are really great for only under $30.
Yeah, I have to say I really love her shoes. Thank you so much. Some great finds. Thanks for your time, Brooke. We'll have more from Goodwill coming up this morning. For more information, visit goodwill.ab.ca.
On location with Lane.
Forget about fast fashion. What about feel-good fashion? That's key here at Goodwill. We're at the Beacon Heights Goodwill. Good morning, Shannon.
Hi, Lane.
Goodwill is a non-for-profit that does so much good for the community, including keeping clothing, items that are perfectly good out of our landfill. That's so important.
Absolutely. So in 2019 alone, we were actually able to divert up to 85% of waste from our landfills. So if you think about that, that's a very, very large number that we're preventing from basically, you know, going back into our planet and preventing it from, you know, living in landfills, and it gets a second life and it gets a better life with somebody else who finds that treasure.
Yeah, as I'm going through doing some treasure hunting, all of the clothing, the items, they're clean, they're in such good shape. You've thought a lot about customer safety during COVID.
Absolutely. So when we reopened after the pandemic had hit, it was definitely one of our top priorities to make sure that every single donated item, which is donated to us by a member of the public generously, was sanitized and ready for its new owner for the safety of our customers as well as our staff members.
All right, well, let's have some fun and let's talk a little bit about a scavenger hunt. You've accumulated some items. I'm always surprised at what you can find at Goodwill, including, hey, a signed Flames jersey.
So just because they're out of the playoffs doesn't mean that the Flames fan can't, you know, put out this absolutely stylish signed sweater. And it doesn't actually have a number on the back. So if you're thinking that your trade is going to happen,
there you go.
It's blank
you can
on the
take
back.
care of that. I love this poster for hockey as well.
And this is a Hockey Night in Canada poster that was generously donated to us. So a collectible, a family heirloom potentially that can be passed down.
Love it. And we have so many great home decor items. A pumpkin. We have Halloween coming up. I know all of your Halloween decor isn't in yet, but you guys are fantastic for holiday decorating.
Absolutely. So if you're looking to decorate on a budget, we have your holiday needs covered. So if that's Thanksgiving, if that's Christmas, we're the place to shop. And of course, it's always going to be on a budget. And of course, it's always going to be feel good.
Yeah, feel good for sure. When we were talking earlier about fashions, you had a very special purse come in.
Absolutely. So a couple weeks ago, we had an authentic Louis Vuitton come in, and we were able to sell that for $500.
That's amazing. And profits in this non-for-profit go and help special Albertans.
Yes, so 89 cents of every dollar that we spend in store goes directly back into supporting our mission of helping Albertans with disabilities find and gain meaningful employment.
Yeah, so important. Thank you so much for your time, Shannon. For more information, visit goodwill.ab.ca.
On location with Lane.
We are here at Goodwill in Beacon Heights talking about fall fashion bargains, fall fashion finds. It's not just clothing, it's houseware, it's decor, it's electronics, you name it. This is a non-for-profit, and it wouldn't work without the many fantastic employees that work at Goodwill, including you, Cole. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Very well, thank you. Tell me a little bit about your job, what you do here at Goodwill.
I'm a donations attendant, so I pretty much help everyone who needs help with donations. Like usually they park at the front, and they bring all their donations inside, and then we usually, if they need furniture, we help them with their furniture.
I mean, and it's a lot of donations, like hundreds of donations. Your day must be very busy.
It's very busy. We've had it about yesterday, we've had about maybe 200 donations yesterday because of all the people trying to
clean up their houses and
get rid of their houses or getting rid of their kids' clothes and all that stuff.
All that stuff. What do you love about your job?
I love just because we're a big giant team. I'm helping everyone out, like in the back. I love just everyone being helpful with each other, everyone having a smile on their faces, helping the less unfortunate, because we all have disabilities. It's a place with disabilities, so it's very helpful to have a disability that it's enjoyable.
Yeah, and now I know that profits, this is a non-for-profit, but like money that Goodwill makes from people shopping goes to helping Albertans with disabilities finding meaningful work. Why do you think that's so important?
because I have a disability, because I couldn't, when I was a little boy, I couldn't read or write properly, or I used to have a stutter. So that kind of was beneficial to me because I couldn't find work over when I was a kid. So now, since we have a company that gives us jobs with learning disabilities, so it's kind of helpful.
Yeah, for sure. Well, I better let you get back to it because you are super busy.
Yeah.
I just wanted to thank you so much for taking the time to speak with me this morning.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, have an awesome day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you so much. To learn more about Goodwill, visit goodwill.ab.ca.